D&D Instruments specializes in the repair and remanufacture of instrument clusters for heavy-duty vehicles. Located in the USA in Minneapolis, Minnesota, DDI is an ISO 9001-14001 registered company that has been repairing and remanufacturing instrument clusters for over a decade. In that time, we've refurbished more than 50,000 clusters, saving our customers more than $5 million. Many benefits to choosing a remanufactured instrument cluster over a new instrument cluster. Price. Typically, a remanufactured unit is available for about half the cost of a new unit. Quality. In all cases, a remanufactured unit from DDI is similar in quality to a new unit. All units are remanufactured to the same quality standard. Availability. Remanufactured instrument clusters from DDI are on the shelf and ready to ship on the same day the order is received. DDI stocks remanufactured instrument clusters for international trucks from 1992 to 2016. Our DD35000 series replaces instrument clusters on Class 5 through 7 trucks and school buses manufactured between 1992 and 2004, and rear-engine school buses through 2016. These units ship as circuit boards that can easily plug and play into the existing instrument cluster. It should be noted that this is different than what the customer might receive when ordering a new replacement gauge cluster. In that case, the customer would receive the circuit boards installed into a new plastic housing. While this may seem like a more complete solution, we believe that our product is an easier install for the end user. The process takes about 15 minutes and is simple. No electronic technician certificate is required. Our DD50000 series replaces instrument clusters on all international vehicles from 2002 to 2016. These units ship as the center instrument cluster pod. Odometer programming is available on all of our remanufactured units where required. Ordering a remanufactured cluster from DDI is easy. Our website has a cross-reference function that works well for vehicles prior to 2004. If you're inquiring about a newer vehicle, send us an email or give us a call with a VIN and we can ensure that you get the correct replacement cluster. Instrument cluster orders received before 2 o'clock Central Time typically ship the same day. Ground freight is included and expedited freight is available. Each unit is shipped in reusable packaging with a shipping label and RMA for the core to be returned. Core credits are processed the day following receipt. DDI offers repair for all makes of heavy-duty truck and bus, including Freightliner, Western Star, Thomas Bus, International, IC Bus, Peterbilt, Kenworth, Volvo, Mack, Bluebird Bus, Ford, Chevy, and GMC. There are several advantages to instrument cluster repair. Price. We are typically about half the cost of a new replacement. Some replacement clusters can cost 3 to 4 times as much as a cluster repair. Compatibility. When selecting instrument cluster repair, the same unit is returned to you, ensuring that it is 100% compatible with your vehicle. No programming is required with instrument cluster repair. Availability. While repair typically takes 1 to 2 business days in addition to shipping time, in many cases it is the faster solution. Especially this is the case when new replacement parts are not available. The process for ordering instrument cluster repair is easy. From our website, ddinstruments.com, select Heavy Duty Repair and complete the online form. You will receive an email which can be printed and included with your cluster shipment. When your cluster is received, it will be repaired in 1 to 2 business days and shipped back. D&D Instruments offers fleets several opportunities to save money and keep their vehicles on the road. Questions can be answered on our website, ddinstruments.com, via email, sales@ddinstruments.com, or via phone, 800-766-4243.